So guys, welcome back to another episode about Doctorx. So this video we are going to talk about how to fund our wallets from Nigerian rates here. There is EGL, or what is it called? Multiversx. I think EGLD. So how to fund our wallets with EGLD on Multiversx wallet. So make sure that you connect your wallet, and if you haven't connected, make sure that I've made a lot of videos, like 4 to 5 videos about that, how to do that. So if you don't do your KYC, if you don't verify your face, just forget it. Go and my other ICE projects. I'm going to drop the link to all the ICE projects that I'm farming, and make sure that you do your KYC. That is very important, guys. Do that so that you won't be wasting your time. So after you make sure that you have connected your Multiversx address, and the next thing to do is for you to go to your Multiverse. So let's go to our Multiverse now. So this is our Multiverse wallet. That is Xportal, is called Xportal or Multiverse wallet. So we are going to open it right here, and we are going to continue this video. So let me enter my passcode. So this EGLD. So I'm going to sell EGLD. For you to, the thing is, for you to get your airdrop from Doctorx, you don't have to deposit any token. They won't charge you if they want to deposit just a free deposit to your EGLD, to your Xportal wallet or Multiverse wallet. But for you to transfer it from Xportal wallet or Multiverse wallet to maybe centralized exchange like Bitget, Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, all of that, or Get.io, for you to transfer it there. So you will have to have a minimum of, or let me say, a percentage that is going to help you, that's going to cover as a gas fees for you to be able to claim this successfully. I think 0.03 EGLD USDT. In USDT we convert it to dollar. That is EGLD for you to be able to claim this. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go ahead and deposit from Bitget. So we are going to use Bitget. It's available right here in Nigeria, and I'm going to tell you one or two things for you to know. So let's go to our Bitget right here. So the thing is, this our Bitget right here. So I'm going to click the menu icon by my left side. So the thing is, if you have a lot of people that is mining around you and you want to transfer it to them, this video is for you. So if you are just a single person that don't have anyone to transfer his token, buy from me at the rate of 2,000 naira. I'm going to sell it for you guys for 2,000 naira. So that is just it. So once you click at the top right here, you are going to see something like this. That is the menu icon by the left side corner. So when I click on that, it's going to bring a lot of icons. So under popular, so this under popular, you are going to see buy. So when you hit on buy, then you are going to type, so this be naira. So you are going to see a lot of currency here. So my own is on naira. So I can say I want to buy for 25,000. If you want to buy for 25,000, so you are going to see the USDT that you are going to get. You will get 15.35 USDT. So you are going to get 15. Then you are going to hit on next. Then you are going to select your payment method. So the thing is, the P2P for bank transfer rate is 1,675 NGL per USDT. So they recommended that And for buy crypto via a crypto party, that is also bank transfer. The rate is 1,695. So we are going to choose the first one, the P2P, the one that has the lowest rate. So we are going to hit on continue. Once we hit on continue, you are going to see they are going to give you a buyer that you are going to get the USDC from. So this is the buyer that they gave to me. So this is a trustworthy person. You are going to see trading field price 1,675, quantity that you are going to get 14.93. This is what you are going to get to. You can see that is the quantity of USDT that this buyer is going to release for you. So you are going to see payment method is bank transfer. You are going to see order number, order time, and you are going to see notes. So the notes will be welcome, fast payment, do not mark as paid. If you haven't paid, I will report your account. If you do, be warned, let's trade. So that means that this person is going to make a fast payment, and there's a warning for you guys here. Though note as different option based on the sellers. So these are the sellers. So this is a note for this particular sellers. If you meet another person, the note might be different. So if you click on next, so you are going to pay 25,000. You are going to see recipient name. You are going to see payment method, bank transfer. You are going to see bank name, PAMPay. You are going to see bank account number. You are going to see the copy button. You want to copy the account number, just click on the copy button in front of the account number. So after you go to your local bank, click on transfer, pay 25,000 to this person. After that, then click on paid, then wait for the person to verify. Maybe you have successfully transferred the money to him or her. So after the person check it, make sure that verify your payment, then the person is going to release your coin. So after that, you can now move to the next step. So I'm not doing this, I've already made a payment, so I'm just going to cancel something like this. Going to cancel it. So that is just it. That is how you are going to make your first payment. Then after you make your first payment, come back to assets. Once you click on assets, you are going to see something like this. So for you to trade from USDT to Egld, you have to remember that your USDT must be in spot and not funding. So the thing is, once you buy USDT, the USDT is going to be transferred to funding. So after it has been transferred, so for you to be able to trade it, you have to make a transfer from funding to spot. So what we are going to do now is we are going to click on transfer under assets. So once we hit on transfer, then the first thing is we are going to see spot. So the first one, from, we are going to change the from to funding, and to the two will be spot. So then you are going to, if you see here coin, under coin, you are going to change this to USDT. So you are going to scroll this, the amount, can still type it, or if you want to type it, you are going to scroll up this thing, or you can type all, you want to transfer all. That means that the USDT that is in, so that means that the USDT that is in funding account is going to be transferred to spot. So I'm going to hit on confirm. So it has been done. It has been transferred to spot. So if I click on spot here, you are going to see that it has been transferred to spot. You are going to see 12.2 USDT. You are going to see something like that. You are going to see it here. So once you are going to do this, you are going to click on trade. So once you hit on trade, then you are going to change the pair, this pair to EGLD slash USDT EGLD. So your own can be another pair. So my own is I slash USDT. So I'm going to change this to EGLD. So this is it right here. Is trading at $53. So what I'm going to do is I want to buy EGLD. Make sure that it's on buy and make sure that it's on market. And I'm going to see market here. If it's not, change it to market. And you can, so if you want to buy the amount of USDT, you can throw this then, and you can write the amount that you want to type here. So I want to transfer this USDT. I want to buy with this USDT to EGLD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on buy EGLD. So you are going to see we have successfully bought EGLD worth $12 right now. So if I click on assets again, you are going to see view it under, you can see EGLD, that is Multiversx. You are going to see 12 USDT. So we already find it with 12 USDT right now. So what I'm going to do right now is for me to be able to withdraw it. So I'm going to hit on, so before that, let me go and copy my EGLD from Multiverse wallet. So let's go, guys. So for you to be able to copy that, under my coin, you are going to see EGLD. You are going to hit on receive down here. So when you click on receive, it's going to bring up your EGLD wallet address. Once you copy that, come back to Bitget here. So once you come to Bitget, click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, then search for, you are going to see your token here, EGLD. So you are going to click on EGLD and select withdrawal type, that is on-chain withdrawal. So once I hit on that, I'm going to hit on withdrawal network is, let me fill the withdrawal network. You are going to something like this. So the fee will be 0.15 USDT in USDT. So the address will be, I'm going to paste it that I copied earlier. So let me paste it again. So I've pasted it right now. The withdrawal amounts cannot be less than 0.3 EGLD. So that means that we have to fund my account with EGLD. So let's go, guys. So guys, now I'm going to fund this later. So you have to, the minimum is 0.3 and I have 0.2. So what we are going to do now is once you hit on withdraw, so you are going to just enter your code that they are going to send to your email and the one that they are going to send to your authenticator app. Then you are going to wait for you to receive your Doctorx token, and like that you can transfer it to your sex exchange. So that's how you are going to do it. So welcome back, guys. What we are going to do is click on withdraw. So once you hit on withdraw, click on EGLD on-chain withdrawal. So you are going to see the network withdrawal, the withdrawal network. You are going to paste your address here. So I'm going to copy that again. So I'm going to paste the wallet address. I'm going to paste it again. So like that. Then the minimum is 0.0. So I'm going to click on all. You are going to see now that, remember, so reminder, please be aware for security reason, you will receive phone call from customer service to confirm your withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal amount that you can be withdraw is 0.3 GLD. Your withdrawal amount must not exceed the available balance in your account. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to hit on. So what I'm going to hit next, I'm going to hit on withdraw. So I'm going to hit on confirm. We are going to see network, withdrawal network, address, coin, withdrawal amount, fee. You are going to see something like this. The fee is 0.16. We're going to hit on confirm. Then I'm going to go to my email and paste this. So let's do that, guys. Let's do that. So I'm going to write the code now. 6. So like this. So you are going to fill your status. So this is going to be submitted pending review processing successful. So let's just come back after a few minutes and go and check our wallet. Maybe it has been deposited there. So let's give it a few minutes, guys. So it has been successful here. So let's go and check our Multiversx wallet. So guys, this Multiversx wallet now. You are going to see the Egld. So this is how you are going to fund this, and you are going to wait for it to receive your airdrop. So if you want to buy, just make sure that you have your 2,000. I'm going to collect 2,000 naira from you, and I'm going to give you the amount that is going to help you to claim this. I'm going to give it to the 0.3 Egld. So I'm going to give it to you. So the link you want to DM, want to buy, so the WhatsApp link will be in this video description. Make sure that you click on that. I'm going to see you in my next video, and don't forget to join my Telegram page and follow me on Twitter. See you in the next video, guys.